Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who actively incorporate digital health tools experience improvements in their overall well-being. As our world becomes more interconnected, these technologies offer older adults the means to take charge of their health like never before. Adopting these tools can seem daunting, but they hold the potential to significantly enhance your quality of life. Let's explore the ways technology can empower you in your healthcare journey. Understanding how your body responds to various health inputs is vital. Think of your body as a complex system where each part communicates with another. Digital tools can act as translators, providing valuable insights into your body's needs. For example, wearable devices can track heart rate and activity levels, helping you understand your health status in real time. Embracing these tools can demystify your body's functioning and enable informed health decisions. Are you concerned about your heart health as you age? You're not alone, and there are proven ways to protect yourself. It's crucial to recognize the signs your body may give you, such as unexplained fatigue or dizziness. Mobile health apps can alert you to these symptoms, ensuring timely action. Remember, early detection is key, and being attuned to your body's signals can help maintain not only physical health, but also peace of mind. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in maintaining health, especially as we age. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your diet can enhance energy levels and overall health. Apps can offer personalized meal suggestions and remind you when it's time to eat, ensuring you never skip a nutritious meal. Opt for colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to keep your body fueled and your mind sharp. Safe and effective movement is crucial for staying active in your golden years. Gentle exercises can improve flexibility and strength without overstressing your body. Online exercise platforms, specifically designed for seniors, provide guided routines and modifications based on your ability. Whether it's chair yoga or a brisk walk in the park, making movement a regular part of your routine supports both physical and mental health. Regular medical monitoring is essential for good health management. Telehealth services make it easier to keep up with doctor appointments from the comfort of your home. These virtual visits allow healthcare providers to monitor your health conditions effectively and give timely advice. It's important to partner with your healthcare team and utilize technology for continuous support and peace of mind. Maintaining mental health and social well-being is as important as physical health. Technology bridges gaps with loved ones, facilitating video calls or virtual social gatherings. Staying connected with family and friends can significantly enhance your emotional well-being. Furthermore, digital platforms offer resources for mental health support and mindfulness practices, ensuring a balanced approach to holistic wellness. If you're watching this, you care about your health, and that's already the most important step you can take. Embracing digital tools empowers you to manage your health confidently. Start by identifying 1 or 2 tech solutions that seem manageable and align them with your health goals. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements. Let's embrace these opportunities for a healthier, more connected life.